as we celebrate the achievement and milestone of individuals who have shown exceptional dedication and the unwavering support of each of our partner. Your participation today highlights the importance of the unity and collective effort for reaching the new heights.
It is the first time for Davao del Norte to have this Kinaduyuan, and I'm sure that in the past there have been a lot of series of recognition ceremonies done, but this time it's more evident that we have a clear framework when we are on the first launch of the Kinaduyuan.
Sa mabilis na takbo ng mundo ngayon, ang edukasyon ay nananatiling pundasyon kung saan tayo ay bumubuo ng ating mga pangarap at hangarin.
Ang pinaka-importante na investment ng gobyerno, it's always the education.
These standards will ensure that we capture not only the visible accomplishments of our teachers or even our non-teaching personnel, but we capture the most intangible efforts done through innovations, heroic deeds, extraordinary service, or even deeper commitment to public service.
Sa pamamagitan ng pagsisikap at dedikasyon, walang hangganan sa inyong maaaring makamit.
Each of us is an honoree today, even our partners, even our local chief executives. And that's why all of us are important, especially in the entire effort of DepEd for the pursuit of innovation and our commitment for better governance and education.
Patuloy na magsikap para sa kahusayan sapagkat ang hinaharap ay para sa mga nangangarap at nagtatrabaho ng mabuti. Patuloy tayong magsikap para sa kahusayan, magbibigay inspirasyon sa isa't isa at bumuo ng isang kinabukasang may pagmamalaki nating lahat.